Druva has announced a strategic partnership with Microsoft to help bring more security options to Azure cloud users. Druva has a suite of cloud focused tools to help protect data, including global dedupe, unified security views across all platforms, and the scalability to help manage growing workloads. The Druva Data Security Cloud will soon be available in the Microsoft Azure Marketplace to help provide ease of installation for customers looking to increase data security. Tom, we've worked with Druva many times over the years with Tech Field Day. It's exciting to see them moving forward.
It is, and I love the fact that they're kind of rebranding this as a cloud security suite and not just backup and disaster recovery. That's something that the industry, this part of the industry, has been going through probably for the last 18 months, is this pivot away from BCDR to data protection, to really calling it what it is. And I think that the value here is that the Azure Marketplace, Amazon or the other guys, the Microsoft Azure Marketplace inclusion. Because think about this, when you are going out and you are trying to stand up net new servers, you need to be able to do everything to them from the beginning, right? Like Microsoft has done this for years with Windows. It's like, oh, you want to preload an antivirus on it, you want to preload Microsoft Office on it. That way you have all the productivity tools you need right away. And I think that having the ability to have maybe like a marketplace pop up and say, oh yeah, well, we're noticing that you're not running any, data protection software. Here are the strategic partners that we partner with, and Druva now would be one of those that pops up. And I think that's a great way to kind of create, if not a de jure secure by default installation, maybe a de facto one. Because, if you stand it up and you immediately are told, hey, it'd be great if you install these things, or if you're a company that already utilizes Druva and you know that it's just 1 or 2 clicks to get that suite put down on the server so that you're protected automatically, that is a huge step up, because we know that we have talked for years about some of the leaky situations that other cloud providers put themselves in, like S3 being insecure by default. And that's problematic. Plus, what happens if I get that thing online and then something catastrophic happens and the server gets knocked offline or something gets deleted or worse, encrypted? This is a great way to ensure that you have good, reliable data from the point when the installation happened, and you don't have to worry about these problems. It's like buying AppleCare for a phone, right? As long as I bought AppleCare on it, I can walk out without a screen protector or a case and everything feels just fine. This is the software version of that. And the fact that Druva has spent a lot of time building a very scalable platform that isn't hardware reliant means that you don't have to worry about hitting some of those artificial limitations of, oh yeah, you have too many nodes for this. You're going to have to upgrade to this other version of the suite. Or worse yet, you spend all of this money deploying new hardware, and then you find out, oh, actually we're short on the capabilities here. So you're actually going to have to put in another unit and load share between the two of them, and that won't be in for 3 more weeks. So we hope that your system can run without any protections for that long. That's not going to be a problem, is it? This is the way that software really should be delivered and consumed. And bravo to Druva for getting in close with Microsoft to make this something that is available on Azure very quickly whenever customers need it.